What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Stripe balance. So first, you need to head over to the Stripe's website by just typing stripe.com in your browser search bar. And after that, if you are new to Stripe, just simply sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Stripe account. But if you already have a Stripe account, click on sign in, and then you will be automatically signed into your Stripe account. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be welcomed to the homepage of Stripe. From here on the left side, you will see this transactions option. Click on this, and after clicking on transactions, on the right side, you will see the option of create payment. Click on this create payment button, and then you will see a drop-down list. From here, you need to select manual payment. And after selecting manual payment, the window of manual payment will open, wherein you need to enter all your details. Now here in the details section, you need to first enter the amount, and after entering the amount, you can enter the customer's name, but it is optional. And then you need to add the description and then the statement descriptor. And when you have entered these details, you need to enter your card information. You can enter your credit or debit card information according to your wish and requirements. And after that, when you are done, you can just simply click on submit payment, and then you will add your money to your Stripe balance. So that was all for the video, everyone. Thank you for watching.